Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the step-by-step mail merge wizard, you saw the Mail Merge Recipients window appear after you had selected a data source for your merge document. This lesson will focus on using that dialog box to select the records that you want to use for your mail merge. Note that you can also open this dialog box by clicking the Edit Recipient List button that appears in the Start Mail Merge group on the Mailings tab within the ribbon. Of course, you must have already selected a data source for the document before you can use this button. If you need to select a data source, then you can click the Select Recipients button in the Start Mail Merge group and then choose one of the commands available to either create a new list or select an existing list. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you will see the records from your selected list displayed at the top of the window. You can check or uncheck the boxes that appear in the second column to manually select or deselect the records that you want to use for the mail merge. If you needed to perform advanced filtering or sorting of the data, you will find additional hyperlinks at the bottom of this dialog box that you can use to manage your list data. To apply an advanced sort to the data, you can click the Sort hyperlink. This will open the Query Options dialog box and display the Sort Records tab within the dialog box. Here you can use the Sort By drop-downs to select the primary field by which you want to sort the data. Then you can choose either ascending or descending order. You can then perform the same actions for the two additional Then By fields in order to apply a secondary and tertiary sort order if needed. To apply the sorting order when you're finished, just click the OK button. Now if you wanted to apply an advanced filter to the list, then you can click the Filter hyperlink at the bottom of the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. This will reopen the Query Options dialog box, but will instead display the Filter Records tab this time. On this tab, use the first drop-down under the Field column to choose the field name by which you want to filter the data. Then use the Comparison drop-down to select a comparison operator. Then type the value against which you want to compare the field's value directly into the Compare To field. Now also note, if you need to apply more filtering criteria, then first choose either the AND or the OR choice from the first drop-down in the second row. Then repeat the same process again. Note that you can set multiple filtering criteria in this tab, and once you have set your filtering criteria, you can then click the OK button to apply them to your list. Now once you have applied either a sort order or a filter to the records in your list, you can clear either setting to display all of the records again. To do this, click either the Sort or Filter hyperlinks at the bottom of the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, depending upon which aspect you want to remove, in order to open the Query Options dialog box. If you want to clear the sorting that's been applied, then you would click the Sort Records tab, and then click the Clear All button. If you wanted to remove a filter that's been applied, you would then click the Filter Records tab, and then click the Clear All button. Once you've finished clearing any sorting or filtering criteria on each tab, then click the OK button to apply the changes and return to your list. Now, if you want to search for possible duplicate records in your list, you can click the Find Duplicates hyperlink at the bottom of the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box to open the Find Duplicates dialog box. Here you will see any possible duplicate records that could exist within your list, and you can uncheck any records shown in this window to prevent duplicate records from being used in the same mail merge. Once you're finished, you can click the OK button to return to the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. You can click the Find Recipient hyperlink in order to open the Find in Field dialog box. You can use this to locate a record in your list by a field's value. Once you're finished using the dialog box, you can then click the Close button to return to the list. In the Data Source section, you can view the name of the data source. You can click on the name of the data source shown in this list and then click the Edit button to open the Data Form dialog box. You can use this dialog box to directly make changes to the list data if needed. Once you're finished, just click the Close button, where it will prompt you to save your changes and update the list in a separate message box, and you can click Yes to accept the changes and return to the Mail Merge Recipients window. Once you've finished selecting the records to use for your mail merge within this dialog box, simply click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.